Coronavirus disease. Do you know what is the coronavirus disease? Do you know means ¿sabes qué es? Do you know what is the coronavirus disease? It is an infectious disease caused by coronavirus. This is the coronavirus. Do you know how people get COVID-19? People get the virus if they are in close contact with an infected person. Do you know what are some of the symptoms of COVID-19? Fever, cough, shortness of breath, sore throat, and headaches. So you have to say, some of its symptoms are fever, cough, shortness of breath, sore throat, and headaches.